What up? Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we're going to be installing this Arlen ness air cleaner on the 2020 Dyna lowrider. I had installed the TBR about 2 to 3 weeks ago on it, and as soon as I did that, I took it off a little spin, and the bike was running like shit, man. It's not enough air coming in. It feels like it's choking. So hopefully with this now, it's going to be able to give me a whole different feel on the ride and the bike. After we're done with the install, we're gonna take it around and see how she feels and take it from there. So sit back and enjoy today's video. All right, guys, so I already got all my parts laid out on the floor right here on a towel. I got everything separated, so we're gonna start by taking off the old, ugly air cleaner. This thing is horrible. It's the only coffee we drink in my house, baby. Bustelo. Now this should be fairly easy to do. I've never changed out an air cleaner, so it's gonna be my first time doing it. I haven't done it on my 2020 Lowrider S due to the fact that that bike comes with a heavy breather air cleaner from factory, and aesthetically I love the looks of it, so I don't plan on changing that out. I mean, I might end up doing like a black S&S teardrop, but that's a big maybe. All right, so we got the first part off. Keep everything separated from all the new stuff they're gonna be using now. I was off from work today and super happy about that because I get to work on the bike and get some time off. And it's not even a bad day today here in dirty Jersey. It's a little chilly, but at least it's really sunny out, around 50 degrees, 49, 50 degrees. So it's not crazy cold. Alright, so we got the whole air cleaner out. Alright, so now we're going to take our 7/16 socket and we're going to be removing these two bolts from up here. That's going to allow us to remove this whole canister out the way. Alright guys, so now that we have everything taken off, what we're going to be doing now is that we're going to be taking our Arlen ness hardware, and it brings these 4 little rubber washers here, which we're going to put one on each side. So one on the front, one on the front on this side, and then one on the back here, and then another one on the back here. Is 4 of them. So they recommend for you just to use a little dab of oil. So that's what I'm going to do here. We'll dab it up so it'll just stay in place. That way it'll make it much easier for you when you're working, and nothing's gonna be falling apart, and you'll be able to get this done pretty quickly. Hopefully that's the case. Now you don't want to put too much oil. It's just to basically lubricate it. Now the reason why I chose to go with this air cleaner is because it looks very clean, you know, for the look that I want to go for. Very nice and clean. Now you have this gasket here. What you want to do is that you want to also just apply a little oil in the back just to lubricate it. So we're gonna stick this on there right now, and if it stays in place, it'll be much easier for us, like I said before, to work with things, and they won't be floating all over the place or anything, and just makes life a bit much easier. Which way does it go? Which way does the puzzle go? So just like that. The holes are there in place, so you can see exactly where it's gonna go. Just add a little more here, it's popping up a bit. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna take our 2 bolts. I already went ahead and I put the washer on them just to slip it right in there real quick. Take this one. Take that one. Put it right over. Just start sealing these in little by little on each side, just to put it in place. You don't want to tighten it up too much right away. It's just to put it in place and make sure that the gasket in back hasn't moved either. So that's another reason why you don't want to move it around too much either. Right before you start tightening everything up, you want to make sure you look inside and make sure your gasket is not out of place. Mine's right where it's supposed to be at, so I'll start tightening this up a bit. And you know what? I gotta take them off now because I forgot to put some Loctite on there. I want to make sure you put some Loctite. What I'll do now, just to keep it in place, because I don't want the gasket falling out of place or anything, is that I'm just gonna put these bolts right here in place, and it'll hold the plate in the back, so I'm fine. So just make sure when you're doing it, put some Loctite on it. Smidge of Loctite on it, not too much. Put it back in and tie her up. Crank her up, baby. Alright guys, so what you want to do next is that you want to tighten these all the way down. I already did that one, so we'll go to the next one. This is gonna hold the whole backing plate, and it's gonna allow you to connect the cover to the backing plate. So now we're gonna take our air filter. I chose a red one just because I wanted a little tiny pop of pinkish reddish in it. This bike, if you don't know, I named this bike R2, and if you look at R2D2, R2D2 has like a little red dot, and I just want to, later on, I'll be adding little red accents, very minimal, but red accents here and there just to make it pop a lot. You don't want to go ahead and tighten one up all the way either, guys. Like always, just leave them loose until everything is right in the exact place where they should be. Ta-da! And that's gonna be the front fascia right here. Beautiful, man. Nice and chrome. Look at that. So it's gonna look beautiful, baby. Beautiful. Yeah, baby. Yeah. So you're gonna have a screw here and a plastic washer, which we're gonna put in the back. Very important to put that washer, because if you don't, then it could get pushed in easily, and then your front cover is gonna be very ugly and messed up, dented. This whole thing is gonna prevent it from getting dented. So you're gonna take your screw, put your washer here in the back, and that's it. Just make sure your logo is pointing down. Your A from Arlen ness logo right here in the bottom. And we're pretty much done, guys. Pretty much done. Alright guys, so I gotta say that this was very, very easy for me to do. Like I said before, this is my first time ever installing an air cleaner on, and it's very, very simple. It's like I always tell you guys on my installs, I'm nowhere near a mechanic, so if I can do it, I'm pretty sure you can do it. Very, very easy. And it's like a fun little, nice little project you do around the garage on the weekend or on your day off from work, like me. That's it, man. We're gonna go turn her on. We're gonna see what she sounds like now. See if she's pumping in more air. Take her out for a spin, and we'll continue the video on there. Yeah, that's definitely a different sound. You can just tell that she's breathing much better now. Wow, what a huge difference. This thing looks beautiful, man. Look how clean that looks, bro. Like, that thing looks clean. Love it. Guys, if you haven't seen the install on these pegs, I uploaded that yesterday. These things are beautiful. This is gonna be my first time on them as well right now, because I just installed them for the video yesterday and I haven't really tried them out. So yeah, 2 for 2. I want to see how good that grip is on those pegs. Oh yeah, Yo, last week, well, not last week, when I saw the pipe, like even turning it on, wow. Like it sounds much better. Let's see what she does. Oh yeah. That's a huge difference. Bro, when I tell you that this bike was running flat, it's all about flat, man. It had like no power. It was just choking out. Not no more. Damn, I love that sound of that TBR. You hear that thing pop? I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but that pop that the TBR makes, let's go. Yo, I've been getting so many people talking shit like, why did you get the same pipe? Why did you get the same pipe? Why would you get the same pipe? Bro, same brand, different pipe. The black one I have on my 2020 Lowrider S is all blacked out. It got the carbon fiber tip at the end. It's like a cone type of exhaust. This is a turnout, stainless steel. It's totally different. Now, if your question is, why did I pick TBR again? It's honestly the only brand that I really love. When it comes to exhaust, TBR is like the brand that I truly love. And I'm not sponsored by them. I try reaching out to them to see if they'll work with me and nothing, but I really love their products. I think they look the best. They have probably the best sounding pipes. And I just love how short they are. Most other pipes are longer. This thing definitely woke up. The beast has awakened. You hear that pop? Now I gotta say, I really like this air cleaner for a different reason right now. You know why? It doesn't interfere with my leg in any way. It's, you know, it's very minimal, it's kind of flat, and it's out of the way. I hate those, you know, big suckers that you put on bikes and they're just hitting your leg and you literally gotta ride like this because, you know, it's like right there in the way. This is totally out of the way. Arlen, like they're known for their good products, man. Super sleek, super beautiful. Once again, I'm not even sponsored by them either, but I gotta say, I love the way it looks. I like that my bike runs different now. Man, I love the sound of that TBR. It's mostly due to the twin cam as well, because the way this TBR sounds on this bike, totally more different, more aggressive than what it sounds on the M8. The M8 sounds a bit much quieter, much more reduced. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood, a beautiful day in the neighborhood. It's a beautiful day here in dirty Jersey, baby. Woo-hoo-hoo! Burn some rubber. I hate doing her bad shit. A little bit of it. These are nice, man. I love the color in those things. Look at that. I'm gonna be adding more blue accents, guys. I'm gonna be getting some Odie waffle grips in blue as well. We're gonna be changing these bolts right here, black bolts with a blue washer in the bottom of it. So we're gonna be doing that. What else? And just little blue accents here and there. And then I want to add, since this is like a pinkish little reddish accent, kind of want to add a little red accent somewhere else. Cannot wait till this bike is like somewhere near almost done. Oh, cars in the way. Go around. It's the best part about riding a bike. You go around anywhere you want. Just a little sound check, just because, and then we'll end the video there. Because who doesn't want to hear a sound check? Alrighty. Well guys, I think that's gonna cut it. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you learned something today. If this is the type of content you like, you're definitely in the right place. This is my 2020. This is my 2015 Dyna lowrider, which are building out little by little. Tons of install videos on this already. We got the ledger suspension install, we got the TBR install, we got the booster brad pegs install, and now we got the Arlen ness heavy breather install. And we got the custom dynamics rear turn light install on it as well. Plenty of more stuff in the garage. I have a LED headlamp that I got from Amazon for 37 bucks, believe it or not, and that thing looks cool, super amazing. So we're gonna be installing that later on. Plus plenty of more stuff, a seat and little stuff here and there, and wheels, and I have some thrashing supply, chrome 6-inch risers coming in the mail as well. So this bike is gonna be looking super clean, man. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Dirty Jersey, baby. Let the force be with you. This is my bike, R2. Ride safe and enjoy the ride, baby. Peace.